Good morning, good day, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome to the Sensor Ocean Conference, the journey towards exciting maritime application and intelligent sensor solution. My name is Hinrich Brumm, and together with Ramona Richard, we are very happy to guide you through the conference today. Our intention today is to show you the latest customer application and intelligent solution, and to share with you trends in technology, market, and legislation in the maritime industry to be prepared today for the challenges of tomorrow. We have an agenda of 11 topics, presentation, real case stories, and we have lots of speakers and interviews with customers, partners, and opinion leaders. And we have clustered all topics in 3 groups. After the opening, we start with the first group, which is people, object, and hazard detection. Here we have 4 presentations of that area, and after a short break of around 10 minutes, we continue with the second block, which is process and emission monitoring. And also here, 4 exciting presentations and stories. And finally, and in the third block, we will show you new opportunities through digitalization and data exploration. And even SICK has decades of experience in all of these fields. We never stop, and we participate in many maritime R&D projects. And we want to share also here with you the latest state of both of technology and regulation. All sessions today will be recorded, so you can review them later on or even share them with your colleagues. And we'll keep it dynamic, short 20-minute sessions, including some minutes for Q&A. So please don't forget to put your questions right into the chat. We will pick them out and address them to the presenters and our experts. So if there is no time to answer your specific question, we'll come back after the conference to you. For your overview and orientation, the agenda is always available on the conference website. And during the specific demonstration and presentation, there are download material also for download available. But Ramona, why should people stay? What can they expect for today?
Well, I'm really excited. Thank you for the question. So we will focus on demonstrating real case applications. We will show customer solutions with clear benefits, and we will for sure not show you deep technology details and specifications and go too much into the details. So we really want to focus on what do you get from all of this. SICK developed innovative solutions to support you with challenges like increased safety awareness, decarbonization, and digitalization. Let me give you just 2 examples to this. Did you know that SICK participates in R&D projects to develop a collision awareness systems for ships? Or did you know that SICK developed a man-overboard system based on a 3D laser scanner? Today we demonstrate these 2 systems for the very first time here live in the different studios, and we will show you the process from the idea to the final solution, including the installation on a ship. But also technology for gas consumption measurement aboard for LNG and dual fuel powered engines will be demonstrated, as well as complete new exhaust gas measuring systems. Beside conventional service aboard, we will show new digital service solutions. And additionally, we will premiere our live compliance tracking solution today. This means data from emissions measured aboard will be combined with the live position of the ship for the full transparency about the emissions compliance and for the scrubber efficiency of the complete fleet. So let me summarize all of this. The audience can expect exciting applications, a lot of great speakers, latest state-of-the-art technology, and maybe Hinrich, can you introduce some of the speakers to us?
Yes, sure. First, we start with Dr. Mats Gökstorp, member of the executive board of SICK AG. And he will explain to us in his keynote why SICK is the right partner and how we can meet the challenges together with our customers and see this as an opportunity to shape change together. We have also a top-class speaker from the industry. Wärtsilä will give us insights from the use of continuous emission monitoring system and scrubbers, while DNV will share their experience with the installed base of scrubbers in the field. We have shipping companies like Klaus-Peter Offen Stena Alliance and Carmol, and they will also share their experience with the latest developments of SICK. We have Don Gregory live, and he is the director of the Exhaust Gas Cleaning System Association, and he will give us an outlook about technology and regulation of scrubbers. Further, we have the Port of Valencia giving some insights of their new monitoring box system, and we have R&D Institute Centrum of Maritime Technology will give us an outlook on the fire prevention technology on board of ferries. And we have also the R&D Institute office, and they will explain us the latest state in anti-collision technology and what is SICK contributions here. And finally, and that is very exciting topic, we are going together on the flagship of the German R&D administration, the R&D vessel Atair. And here we will see live what sensors are installed and for what reasons they are installed. So you can see exciting topics, exciting speakers and applications. And now we are very happy to start with, and we warm welcome Dr. Mats Gökstorp, member of the Executive Board of SICK. Mats, the stage is yours.
75 years ago, Dr. Erwin Sick created his startup in a small barrack outside of Munich here in Germany. Today, SICK is a global company providing innovative sensor solutions and a global service organization to serve you, to make your operations and you more successful. Our ability to see the world today as it will be tomorrow, to understand customer needs and to transform that understanding into innovative sensor solutions are what made us successful. And we continue on this path today as we go beyond borders into the world of digitalization and artificial intelligence. In everything we do, we take a long-term perspective. We invest into R&D and we convert that understanding and investment into good solutions. As you can see in our annual report that we publish on sick.com, on LinkedIn and other social media, SICK is a stable company, a successful company, and a good partner for you to accompany you on your journey towards more safety, cleaner air, more efficiency, and transparency by means of digitalization. We boldly define our claim SICK Sensor Intelligence. That sounds pretty fancy. In reality, we are down-to-earth, pragmatic engineers. We participate in shipping organizations. We work in standardization bodies. We partner with you to understand your needs, and we use that understanding to create solutions for today's and future challenges. Today, we will talk about some of these challenges, and you will see how we can apply our competence and broad experience to create sensor solutions for increased safety on ships and in ports. To support the decarbonization and the transformation to new fuels and new sorts of energy in shipping, and provide digital solutions that gives you full transparency of your emission compliance. In addition, our global service organization is there for you. At the time you need them, in the port, on the location you need them, globally, wherever you are in the world. I trust this will be a great day together. be inspired, create new ideas, have a great Sensor Ocean conference.
Thank you very much, Mats, for this introduction. I think it shows clearly how passionate SICK is about their innovations, and that exceeding customer expectations are our key values since decades. So I think let's get started right away with our first block, which is people, object and hazard detection.
Yes, and in this block we will see 4 exciting presentations about applications that increase safety for passengers, crews, ships and ports. And we start with sensor solution for social distancing on board. We continue then with anti-collision solutions for ships. And then we have a really exciting story. We are telling the story from the idea to development for a ready product of a man overboard solution. And finally, the detection of vehicles posing a fire risk before entering a ferry. And we will have live demonstration and interviews with the R&D Institute office, our Norway partner Insta, Stena Lines and the Centrum of Maritime Technology.